Hello friends, in our previous videos till now we have done the perimeter and area of two-dimensional figures and surface area, total surface area and volume of three-dimensional figures. Let us revise all these topics again. Before proceeding, please take the screenshot of this page and try to do the sums yourself. Send your answers in our comment box. So let us begin. The topic is revision of mensuration. First, the formula for the capacity of a cylindrical drum is dash. Here, a drum of cylinder shape is given and formula for capacity. For the capacity, we used to find the volume, right? And here, the volume of which 3D object is asked? Cylinder. It means the formula for volume of a cylinder, that is pi r square h. Here r is the radius of base of that cylinder and h is the height of cylinder. Second, the volume of a three-dimensional object is equal to area of the base into dash. Here, three-dimensional objects can be a cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, etc. In our previous videos, we have studied this topic, the volume of three-dimensional object. Let us take the example of this first part, cylinder. Its volume is this one, pi r square h. Here, pi r square, it is the area of a circle because cylinder has a circular base like this. So, area of base into h. h is the height of this cylinder. So, comparing this with this given question, area of base pi r square into h, height. So, our fill-up will be pi area of the base into height. Height of that three-dimensional object. The third one, if we want to cover an aquarium from all its sides, then we have to calculate its dash. Here, aquarium in which fish are kept artificially. Aquarium has got the shape of a cuboid. A cuboidal box, an aquarium is to be covered from its all sides. It means we have to calculate its curved surface area. Curved surface area is the area of 4 walls only. It is not taking the top and base. When we take all the 6 faces, all the 4 sides plus top and the base, it becomes total surface area. But according to the question, it is to be covered from all its sides. Therefore, we will take only the curved surface area. The next question, number 4. When we cut a regular hexagon into 2 equal halves, we get 2 dash-shaped quadrilaterals. Here, a regular hexagon is in the question. Let us draw its shape. Regular means all sides of equal length. Hexa means 6. So it is a 6-sided figure. All the sides of equal measure. Here, regular hexagon is to be cut into two equal halves. We are cutting it like this. Now it is in two halves. We get two dash shaped quadrilaterals. Let us draw these shapes. First shape is like this and the second one is here like this. What is this shape? Right, we have studied when two opposite sides are parallel, the shape formed is a trapezium. It is a trapezium shape. Quadrilateral means four-sided figures. Quad 4. It means our answer is when we cut a regular hexagon into two equal halves, we get two trapezium shaped quadrilaterals. Next one is fifth, the measure of length of boundary of a closed plane figure is called its dash, and the region that is bound by that boundary is called the dash of that closed figure. The measure of length of boundary of a closed plane figure. Closed means the figure is not open. Plane figure, it can be a quadrilateral, a triangle, a circle, any closed figure. The length of boundary, its measure is called, yes, correct, it is perimeter. Perimeter of that figure, the boundary only. We are moving along the boundary of that figure. So it is called the perimeter. And the region that is bound by that boundary. Region bound means we have to go inside the boundary. This region, the field inside the boundary, it is called the area. This is the area of that closed figure. Outside lining is called perimeter. Inside field, this much, it is called the area of that closed figure. So that is all for today. Please take the screenshot of the page along with the answers also. Have you subscribed our channel? Press the bell button also so that you may get the notifications of all our videos. Do the sums that we have done in our previous videos also. That is all. Take care and work hard. In our next videos, we will be there with new concepts and some interesting mathematics. Bye bye.